Hello, all you amazing married couples. I just got these flowers from a sweet little friend of mine, my friend's daughter, who I just adore, and she's so thoughtful and so loving. And so she handed me these flowers yesterday, and immediately, okay, I just wanted to give a shout out to any men out there that have any resistance or anything about buying flowers. There's sometimes just resistance about buying flowers. I don't know why, but the flowers came to me and literally this was my face. Oh, sweetie, that is so loving. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, you thought about me. You took action and you presented me with this beautiful gift, right? And so, I wanted to use these flowers as an example of, it's really not, and I don't know if any of you guys watch my Redeeming Date Night series, but I had a couple on there, Ash and Shanda Sumter, and they are like powerhouse couple, have this like incredibly successful business, and they are my coaches in my business, and amazing people, like love God, love people, beautiful relationship. And one of the things that Ash had said on there was like about buying flowers. And he talked about how, you know, it's not even about the fact of what you're giving. It's about the intent behind it and the heart behind it. And so it doesn't even, like, there was one time he said he was like consistently getting flowers. And then one time they were going on a trip. And so he's like, should I get the flowers? Because we're going on a trip tomorrow. Like, and, you know, they're just going to wilt. They're just going to whatever. And it was like, no, I'm going to get the flowers because it's the intent behind it. And it's the feeling that is brought to the person that's receiving it. That is where the value is. So like, it doesn't even matter if like what the flower is necessarily, or how long they're going to last, or any of that kind of stuff. It's just about being thoughtful enough to get the flower, to have the intent, and to show up with them, which tells your spouse you thought about them, you took action, and you wanted to bless them in some way. And so I just wanted to give a shout out and say, like, this is my live this week to say, if you haven't bought your spouse flowers in a while, go buy your spouse flowers, right? And wives for your husband, maybe it's like, you know, like a special fun drink they like, or like, you know, Mountain Dew, or, I don't know, you know, some like favorite coffee, or like a really nice coffee, like a $10 coffee instead of like Folgers, or, you know, something that's gonna say like, hey, I was thinking about you and I wanted to bless you. And so I did. And here it is. And just see how like that simple act and action, the value that that's going to create, and the emotions that that's going to stir in that person of just joy and gratitude and connectedness, they far surpass what the actual gift is. So my Friday night little love tip to you guys is to find something, whether it's flowers or coffee or a special drink or a special snack or something that you can bless your spouse with this week. And to remember that it's not about the thing, it's about the motivation behind the thing, and it's about what the thing is producing in your relationship when you give it. So I am so for your marriages. Go get your date on this weekend, and maybe you can present your thing on a date this weekend. All right. Love you guys.